Hey guys, welcome to Jimmy's Backyard Adventures. I'm Jimmy, and today we're gonna make a simple bird feeder. In the last episode, we made a simple bird house. Ow! It's sketchy up here. Mom, I'm stuck. Help! Alright, so first thing, we're gonna go find a pine cone. So follow me. So we're at the tree now. Careful, because some pine cones are pokey. Just look for ones that are more open like this. We'll take a couple of these and we'll get started. Alright. So the materials you need is pine cones, scissors, birdseed, peanut butter, and twine. I forgot the name for a sec. So now we're going to take a pine cone and put all kinds of peanut butter over it. Oh, that's a lot. Now that you have your peanut butter on your pine cone, you will roll it around in birdseed. Okay, I'm gonna make my other one real quick. Have the bird seed all over it, we can put some twine on. So for this part, you might want your parent to help you tie the knot. Okay, so now we're ready to hang our bird feeders. Trying to see where I should hang it. Oh. Thank you for watching this episode of Jimmy's Backyard Adventures, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment if you want. And don't forget to see us on our next episode of Jimmy's Backyard Adventures. Bye!